Along with the dry, warm weather, the summer season brings another kind of driver out onto the road. Motorcycles are economical to own and fun to ride, but can be more dangerous than driving a car or truck. Here are a few tips to help get you through the summer accident-free. New helmet laws in BC came into effect June 1st, restricting the use of novelty helmets, often called beanies. A full face helmet with face shield offers the best protection in a crash and keeps dust, debris, and insects out of your eyes. Bikes are much narrower than cars and often have only one headlight, so are harder to see. On a grayer day, to make yourself more visible, wear reflective protective clothing that will protect you from the elements and a crash.
Motorcycle riders are 8 times more likely to be killed, over 41% chance of being injured on the roads in BC. Just remember that your bike is a lot smaller. You may only have one headlight, so it's harder for the other motoring public to see you. Don't ride in their blind spots. Just be aware that your speed and distance will be harder to judge.
No matter how long you've been a rider, doing a pre-trip check can prevent mechanical failure while riding. Familiarity breeds contempt, and that one time you skip the check could be your last. One more thing is passenger safety. If their leg can't reach the peg, they can't ride with you. It's the law. So remember, these are just a few safety tips. There's a lot more information at www.icbc.com.